I was always curious, like what made things tick? How did they work? How could you make them a little bit better? My dad was a carpenter and our basement was full of tools. I was very good at taking them apart. I was not so good at putting them back together. I think my desire to go into engineering and then ultimately building materials stems from my dad's carpenter tools. When I joined USG, I joined the building science team, providing support to all of our gypsum products in all of the different ways that they're used. And my specialty was on the fire side, providing fire technical support across all of our internal teams as well as externally to customers. Without doubt, the introduction of UltraLight Tough has been my proudest moment. Innovation doesn't happen every day within the drywall industry. So the materials that we produce, the things that we allow for designers to design and contractors to build with are what allow for our condos, our houses, our schools, our malls to be built. So it's ubiquitous with life. And this product demonstrates that we're not resting on our laurels, that we're always looking to new ways of trying things differently. So to be part of that, and particularly with a product that really can revolutionize the way that half-inch gypsum panels are used, is something to be really excited about.